Time is the most powerful force in the universe, yet the one we understand the least. It shapes every heartbeat, every sunrise, and every ending. Humanity has always lived under its rule. But what if, in the near future, we could bend time itself? Scientists are beginning to question whether time is truly linear, or if it's just an illusion waiting to be rewritten. Imagine being able to visit your childhood home, decades ago, or witness the far future of civilization. For centuries, this idea existed only in imagination. But new breakthroughs in quantum physics, relativity, and digital simulation suggest that time may not be fixed, it may be something we can move through, record, and even reverse. Every great discovery in history has redefined humanity's place in the universe. But none could challenge our understanding of reality like mastering time. The ability to travel, pause, or extend time would transform everything, our lives, our memories, even our idea of death. Yet behind every possibility lies a question: what price must we pay to control the very fabric of existence? Einstein once said that time is relative. What we experience as the passage of time is just the way our brains perceive motion through space. In his theory of relativity, time slows down as you move faster, and nearly stops at the speed of light. This isn't just math, it's measurable. Astronauts who travel in orbit age slightly slower than people on Earth. It's called time dilation, and it proves that time is flexible. Now, scientists are exploring ways to use this flexibility. Particle accelerators, gravitational manipulation, and even quantum computing are revealing that time might not be a one-way street, it could be a dimension we can eventually navigate. In the world of digital simulations, time already bends. A supercomputer can simulate 1,000 years in a few minutes, or slow a second into infinity. As AI models grow more advanced, they can experience lifetimes in virtual environments, learning faster than any biological being. To them, a day might last 1,000 subjective years. This concept, called computational time dilation, suggests that future digital minds could live in parallel timelines, evolving at unimaginable speeds. One day, we may enter those digital realms ourselves, choosing to experience decades of subjective life in a single afternoon of physical time. In that world, immortality might not come from biology, but from temporal choice. Time doesn't just flow, it lives inside us. Our bodies measure it in cell division, in the slow erosion of DNA, in the gradual decline of function. But biologists are finding ways to interrupt that process. From genetic reprogramming to cellular rejuvenation, the science of longevity is moving towards something extraordinary: biological time control. Companies like Altos Labs and Calico are exploring how to reset the biological clock within human cells. In experiments, scientists have made old tissues behave as though they were young again. In the future, aging may no longer mean decline, it may become a reversible state. Every dream of time control carries a paradox. If you could go back and undo your greatest mistake, would you still be the person who learned from it? If you could freeze a perfect moment forever, would it still hold meaning? Time's flow gives life its urgency, its beauty. To control it is to risk losing what makes it precious. The future might grant us the power to manipulate time, but not the wisdom to use it without losing ourselves. The truth is, time has never been against us. It has shaped every story, every discovery, every moment that defines what it means to be alive. If we learn to control it, our greatest challenge won't be technological, it will be moral. Because time is not just a measurement of the universe. It is the measure of us. The world is racing toward a future we can barely imagine. At Asti Media, we explore what lies ahead, and how it will transform who we are. Subscribe now and be part of the conversation that defines tomorrow. Time will always move forward, but the question is, will we move with it, or beyond it? The future belongs not to those who master time, but to those who understand its meaning. Because in the end, time isn't something to escape. It's something to embrace.